Hey boys and girls, welcome to my kitchen. Don't worry, we're not doing a cooking show today, but I wanted to get you ready for our big test that we're having tomorrow on length, weight, and capacity. So anyways, I know you guys were doing some practice today, but I wanted to do a couple of real world things for you, okay? So right off the bat, got my lovely water bottle that one of my happy campers gave me last year. What attributes can I use to measure this with? And in case you're forgetting, remember, we had learned about length, or how tall something is, okay? We also learned about how much something weighs, and we also learned about capacity, like how much will it hold, like how much iced tea do I have in here? Iced tea is so good. So anyway, so what can we use to measure this? Show me on your fingers how many things. I hope you're showing me 3, because we can measure how tall it is, we can measure how heavy it is, and we can measure how much it'll hold, so the capacity. Okay, good job. How about my TV remote? Show me on your fingers how many things. Are you showing me 2? I hope so, because we can measure how long it is, and we can measure how heavy it is. All right, here's our next one. It's Noelle's sticker for having lost a tooth. Show me on your fingers how many things. Are you showing me 2? Good, because we can measure how long it is, how wide it is, and it may not weigh much, but we can actually measure how much it weighs too. All right, how about this spoon? That might be a little tricky. I had a friend come up with this one today, and I was only thinking 2 things, but she ended up telling me it was 3, and you know what? She's right. Because you can tell me how long it is, you can tell me how much it weighs, and because it does have just a little bit of a cup, you can tell me how much it holds too, what the capacity of it is. Okay? Now, along those lines, how about this one? So, we can measure how long it is, we can measure how tall it is, we can measure how much it weighs, and what the capacity is. So, which of these 2 have a larger capacity? Which one will hold more? Take a look at them. Hopefully you were showing me this one right here. Okay. All right. So I've also got a couple comparisons that I'd like to do. Both of these are filled with sugar. Okay. I'll show you the bottoms of them. Hopefully no sugar falls out. Here we go. Here's the bottom of this one. Okay. Here's the size of them. Okay, first off, which one is taller? That's right, the silver one, okay? Which one holds more? Again, you're right, the silver one, okay? Now, how about these 2 sight word games? Do you think they'll hold the same amount? One will hold less or one will hold more, okay? So if you think they're going to hold the same amount, give me 2 thumbs up. If you think the green one is going to hold more, then just hold that thumb up and put this one down, or vice versa. Okay, so let's see what you got. Here we go. I hope you're showing me 2 thumbs up. Excellent job. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Oh, now let's compare the scissors and the sugar. Which one do you think weighs more? Sugar does. You guys have learned so much this year. I'm so excited to see how you do on your test. Okay? Do your best. And don't forget, make sure you do it online so that way Mrs. Holmes, Mrs. Spilsbury, Miss BW, and myself can see how well you did on it. Okay? All right. And the only help you can get from mom and dad is to have them read the questions. But don't forget, if you click on the question, it'll read it for you. Okay? And don't forget to hit submit when you're done. Good luck.